Hey guys, in this video I'll show you best IK option script special for you. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next script. You do not have my subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next video and next script, okay? And if you not join my telegram channel, join my telegram channel, okay? And indicator link and script link in my telegram channel, okay? So, and if you not join best binary option broker account, link in my description box, simply click and sign up and start binary trading. IK option just use for this script, and you can trading with the best broker Potex and Pocket option, okay? And today is the OTC market, very bad market today, and this is a 100% non-repeat script, 100%, okay? Very good script, support and resistance, and you can add this Bollinger Band, okay? Search okay, and search Bollinger Bands, okay? Apply, okay? More confirmation, okay? No problem. Okay, so let's start trading with this script. Wait for a signal, okay? Okay guys,
me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby,